to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be learning how to install node.js in Ubuntu. So to do this, first of all we need to install update our package installer. So you just go sudo apt-get update. So you run this command, it will update your package installer. Afterwards you need to type in the following command. So we just sudo apt-get install. You're going to install node.js. So you hit enter, and then it will ask you for permission. You hit yes, and then it will install for you. In my case, I've already installed it, so the node.js is already installed, the latest version, so it's here. But yours, it will ask you for permission. If you didn't install, just simply say yes by hitting Y, enter, and then it will install. So now let's install npm. So we just go sudo apt-get install. You're going to install npm. So you hit this, it will install for you the same way. You just ask for clarification, you hit Y, which stands for yes, and then hit enter, it will install for you. In my case, I've already also installed npm, so it's already stated here that I've already installed it already. I don't want to remove it, so you, as in your case, you just hit Y and it will install for you. So to check the versions that you have, you can simply type node and then -v. It will tell that I have node version 10.15.2. So you can also do the same for npm and then -v. I have version 5.8. So this is how you install node and npm on your Ubuntu. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, please kindly ask in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you. Thanks for watching.